Hey everyone, Xfinity Wi-Fi box blinking orange. This guide explains what it means and walks you through proven troubleshooting steps to restore full connectivity. Fix 1, wait for firmware update. If the orange light is due to a firmware update, waiting allows the router to complete the installation process. Interrupting this can cause further issues. So patience ensures the update finishes and the device can reconnect to the internet. If you recently restarted or set up your device, the blinking orange light may indicate a firmware update in progress. This process can take up to 15 to 30 minutes. Avoid unplugging the device during this time. Fix 2. Check for Xfinity service outages. Sometimes the problem is not with your equipment but with Xfinity network. Checking for outages help you determine if the issue is outside your control. If there's an outage, waiting for Xfinity to restore service will resolve the blinking orange light once connectivity is reestablished. Visit the Xfinity Status Center or use the Xfinity app to see if there are any reported outages in your area. If there's an outage, you will need to wait for Xfinity to resolve it. Fix 3. Inspect and reconnect all cables. Power cycling clears temporary glitches, resets the device's internal memory, and reestablishes a fresh connections to Xfinity's network. These simple steps often resolve connectivity issues that cause the orange light. Ensure all coaxial, Ethernet, and power cables are securely connected and undamaged. Unplug and firmly replug each cable to ensure a solid connection. Fix 4. Restart power cycle your modem or router. Loose, damaged, or improperly seated cables can disrupt the signal between your router or modem and the internet. Ensuring all cables are securely and undamaged restores a stable connection, often turning the light back to normal. Unplug the power cord from your device, wait at least 30 seconds, plug it back in, and allow the device to reboot. This can resolve temporary glitches and restore connectivity. Method 2. Via Xfinity app. Open the Xfinity app and sign in. Tap on the Wi Fi icon, troubleshoot, restart your gateway. Method 3. Via website. Go to Xfinity and log in, navigate to the device's page, then restart modem. Fix 5. Remove or replace splitters. Faulty or unnecessary splitters can weaken or block the signal. Connecting the modem or router directly to the wall outlet ensures the strongest possible signal, resolving issues that may cause the orange light. If you are using a coaxial splitter, try connecting the modem directly to the wall outlet. Faulty splitters can cause signal loss and connectivity issues. Fix 6. Try a wired connection. Connecting a device directly via Ethernet helps determine if the problem is with the Wi-Fi signal or the overall internet connection. If wired works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue is likely with the router's wireless function, not the internet connection itself. Connect the device directly to the modem or router using an Ethernet cable to check if the internet works. If wired works but Wi-Fi does not, the issue may be with the router's wireless function. Fix 7. Check account and activation status. If your account is inactive, suspended, or the device is improperly activated, the router cannot connect to the internet. Verifying and resolving any account or activation issues ensure the device can authenticate and establish a connection. Log into Xfinity account to ensure your service is active and there are no billing or activation issues. If you recently got a new device, make sure it's properly activated. Fix 8. Factory reset as a last resort. A factory reset restores the device to its original settings, clearing out any misconfigurations or persisting software errors. This can resolve deeper issues that simple restarts or cable check do not fix. Use this only if other steps fail as it erases custom settings. Locate the reset button usually on the back of the device. Hold it down for about 10 seconds until the light blinks off and on. Here is the note. This will erase all custom settings and restore faulty devices. Fix 9. Contact Xfinity support. If all else fails, the problem may be due to hardware failures or a more complex network issue. Xfinity support can diagnose the problem remotely or send a technician for repair or replacement, ensuring a long-term fix. If the orange light persists after all troubleshooting steps, contact Xfinity customer support. There may be a hardware issue or a more complex network problem requiring professional assistance. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.